how to transfer money from Sweatcoin to Cash App. So if we go to the shop right now, right here in the USA offers, if we scroll down, as you can see, we have this option for a Cash App voucher with Global Survey Hub. So this option right here, as you can see, has been purchased by 18,000 people. So if we click on it, you can see some more information. Get a $200 Cash App voucher when you earn 200 points. So basically you have 2 days to redeem this. So basically you just gotta scroll or swipe, sorry, all the way to the right, so you can buy this for free, this option. And then if you want some more information, you can read it right here. Earn 50 points per level, and once you have 200 points, you can redeem a voucher and enjoy the rewards by simply responding to the email with proof of completion. So you can read all of the terms right here, but this is a good option of how you can get money from Sweatcoin to Cash App currently. So don't miss it. Check it out if it's there for you, and I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub. I will see you next time.